Okay, everybody, got a 3-door true 3-door prep table, sandwich prep table. If it was a pizza prep table, this would be a lot wider. Anyways, let's ask them. They said it's running 54 degrees. Asked them to unplug it and unload it before I got here. They did. That's a good thing. Just in case it was all froze up, you get to it. Okay, I'll put a printout on this serial number. I think it's a 2008 unit though. Has a leak. See if we can find the leak. See what it's going to take to repair this. Okay, so I just turned the temperature control to 0 so the compressor doesn't come on. I just wanted to see if the fans were, if it, I'm pretty sure this table has 2 fans, and if it was blowing good. It's blowing. It's blowing so far back I can feel it like 6 feet away, so I don't think there's anything wrong with the fans. Yeah, we got serious buku airflow. So, all right, let's do a leak check. Okay, so we have 40 pounds pressure at ambient in the room 67. You could read that hopefully. Let me see if I can. 67 degrees in the room. I don't know how accurate that is. It's blowing, the air conditioning is blowing on it, that's why. There we go, got the air conditioner up there blowing on it. Yeah, 66. Alright. So, definitely gonna be a leak, pretty much. It's 134A system, so ambient, it's all off and been off for a couple hours. Ambient 70, so we should have PT chart. This should be about 70 if it has any liquid in it. So let me check the PT chart real quick, but probably should be around 60 to 70 pounds pressure. So she'd be gonna be pretty flat, I'm guessing. Only gas in there, no liquid. Okay, that's the H10. I got it on small this time because we're sniffing 134A. I'm gonna test my leak detector, make sure it works. Okay. Goes crazy. So it should be working. There's a little bottle. You can buy these bottles separately too, guys, if you want to. But so let's see where the leak. See if we got a leak in here anywhere. Let's stick it in here. We got no fan running and not plugged in. Yeah. Going crazy in there. Alright. First place I look. See if we got anything in here. Yeah, we got. Yep. So, alright, let's pull this apart and have a look in here and see what we see. Okay, so let's look around back here a little bit too. See if we. Okay, guys. So did some searching around here in the evap, and I was getting hits down in here, like pretty. There's, let me see. Yeah, alright, that's the biggest hit I've got so far. Well, and then when I came over here to this area that looks kind of brown and stuff, you need to get something going on in there. That's for sure. Well, it's not towards the end. It's not like U-bends or nothing. Just the coil. That's what you guys have been saying. I know I've heard it before from, yeah, there we go. We got from the fan blowing the air in that area, beating on the coil. What we got? Gonna be replace the evap and all the piping, the suction piping. That's what I do. If you guys got any, you experts, I think Felipe Tafoya, you're the expert on these screws. But yeah, I'm gonna quote them, replacing the evap and the suction line all the way back to the compressor. What do you think? All right, I think that's it, guys. True prep table leaker, 12 years old. So, gonna, all right, put some gas in it, get the guy going, and give him a quote. See what he wants to do. Yeah, 38.5 degrees, got her down to. Big old 3-door prep table, true. 12 years old though, she's tired, compressor's tired. This thing needs a compressor bad. It's over 30 minutes to get the temperature on an empty box. These things, I like them, when they're new, they get down, should be 17 to 21 minutes, something like that. So, it's like 32 minutes, and it's only at 38. This thing's empty, and this room's freezing. This room's like 70 degrees or less, you know, so it's right 70 degrees. So, she's a tired old girl. She's an old lady with a walker, with a diaper on her. This thing, leaker. So just talked to the customer. He says, yep, we're getting a new one. Hopefully, I'm trying to tell him to get a Refrigeration or a Delfield. But anyways, hey, thanks for watching, guys. Click like on the video and subscribe. All right, take care. Bye. And bonus footage. Yeah, this little girl, she won't get down below 36.9. Empty box, nothing in it. So that's all she'll do. 70-degree room. Needs a new compressor for sure, and a new evaporator. Evaporator's leaking like a sieve. So yeah, struggling to maintain 37. It's no good. All right. Bonus footage. Click like on the video, subscribe.